Okay, we're working at church in Palmdale today. We will replace these old cameras. On this door we will install access control. This camera also will be replaced. We will get rid of the old DVR system. We will remove this camera. These two here. And this. Also, it will be one camera outside here. We'll use starter kit for the door access control with this lock, 4 door cameras, access point, and this switch. Okay, yesterday we installed this reader here, the camera, another camera there, dome camera here, new dome camera here, access point, another dome camera, and one dome camera in this corner. Also, we installed 5 bullet cameras all around this building. One bullet camera here, another one there. Also, we will install another access hub for this door. Here will be magnet lock.